What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome again to Chef Matiko YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by and please consider subscribing. Please hit that notification button for you to get more videos when I post the videos. So today's episode or today's video, we're going to talk about a very nutritive or nutritious smoothie juice that will help you and it will prevent you from getting cancer. And if by bad luck you have cancer, it reduces the pain when you're suffering from it. So stay tuned, watch the video until the end because I've made a research, I have the notes. Take a pen, take a pencil, take anything, take a notebook. Use your phone to put down the notes because today is so amazing because some people are going to get the benefit of this talk of the day. Today I'm not out of the street, I'm not anywhere, I'm just relaxing at home and I did this for my fans. So we're going to start. I have notes here because it's a lot. It's a lot. As you can see, this is my book. So we will go one step at a time because this video is going to change somebody's life. It's going to change a lot of people's lives. So that's why I made the notes and I came up with this. So we're going to discuss little by little. It's not so much that will make you bored. No, that's not Chef Matiko. So we're going to start by from breakfast, midday, lunch, after lunch, then dinner. Four smoothies for you, just to prevent you from getting cancer because you know nowadays cancer is all over the world and I don't want that for you. And by bad luck you got a way to reduce. Remember that this smoothie or this type of juices, they're not going to cure, but they reduce the risks of suffering from it. Know that. So if you're watching this, like the button, like the video before we continue, my people. Don't be so mean. Anyway, we're going to start by, it's advised to eat vegetables because vegetables have a lot of antioxidants and have a lot of curative in them. Natural, super good. So you are advised to eat a lot of vegetables. If you have or if you don't have cancer, it's very nice for you to eat vegetables. But red cabbage and broccoli are the most recommended vegetables for you to use. They prevent and they reduce the risks of you getting cancer. So those are two vegetables that I've told you, but apart from them, go eat a lot of vegetables, it's so good when you have the vegetables in your body because they are full of vitamins. So we are going to breakfast. So in breakfast we have the whole grape juice. A whole grape juice is made from grapes, red. We also have purple and we have black grapes. Take the grapes, blend, make a juice with the skin. Remember, with the skin, and that will help you and it will prevent you from getting cancer. It curbs the development of cancerous cells. So if you drink that in the morning, you're good to go. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell them, share this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel because this channel is mine and yours, and you make it go to the next level. So number two is we're going to talk, that was about the morning, the breakfast, so we're going to talk about the mid-morning. Alright? The mid-morning around 10, So around 10, we have, it's called vegetable anti-inflammatory. Vegetable anti-inflammatory consists of broccoli, consists of sesame paste, which is also called tahini, and also pineapple juice and apple juice. So mix all those together with your broccolis, then blend, make a juice, drink it. is very nutritious for those people who want to prevent cancer. Take this message home. Write down, because I've done a research for you, for my fans, and for those fans who are coming in this channel. So take it home positively, educate others. So that was about mid-morning. I've told you broccoli, sesame paste known as tahini, and also apple juice and pineapple juice. These are very nutritive, and apart from that, they're very delicious. So use that, make a juice, drink, and you're good to go. That is mid-morning. And we also have, at lunchtime, we also have a smoothie called Total Alkalining Juice. Total Alkalining Juice consists of spinach or cabbage. We also have fennel, pineapple juice, and mint. In those ingredients, combine, blend them, and drink 1 glass at lunchtime. Remember, this smoothie helps you to prevent and lowers the pains when you have cancer. So that's why I came out to talk about this, to help a friend who will help a friend who will help a friend. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Like the video as we continue, because we have a lot to discuss. We also have after lunch, which is mid-afternoon, we have a super detoxing juice. A super detoxing juice consists of carrots, apple, celery, and lemon. Remember that lemon is a very powerful substance. It's curative substance. Take lemon water, even in this pandemic, use it, and you're good to go. So, in a combination of lemon, carrots, apple, celery, this promotes and it eliminates the toxins in your body that can eventually lead you to get cancer. So use that, blend, drink, and you're good to go. That is mid-afternoon. That is if you have cancer and if you don't have cancer, because it prevents you and it lowers the pains if you have cancer. So this is a very nice it's a very nice smoothie. It's a whole diet from the morning to dinner, imagine. And you remember in the recipe that I've given you in lunchtime, the benefits is to protect against cancer by eliminating toxins and slow down the development of cancerous cells caused by a diet rich in cheese.